Okay, the first thing we're going to do in this video tutorial. What we're going to do now is connect to a Wi-Fi network. We're going to connect to a Wi-Fi network to begin this. A tour where we will be showing you where what would appear. It's also that screen lock where that Google account would appear. This device is running the latest versions of Android. It's also got that screen lock that we had it from the beginning because what we did was format it. We reset it and it's still locked with that little padlock on the part. Top left, and here we have what that accessibility was. Having said all that, let's go to our Wi-Fi network. And let's connect to begin this video tutorial. We're going to get to that point where everything appeared to us. We also want to let you know that we have provided methods for PC and others. Different methods to this one, but also without a PC, we've left it at. The video description will also be in the first pinned comment. To find all those other methods, you simply have to refer to that description. Or in the first comment they will go and see the other tutorial videos. Having said all that, so, as we had indicated, we had a pattern that we had changed. But after a while we had forgotten and what? We formatted it thinking that we already that we could now use our phone. But when it restarted, we saw that it still had the same screen lock. But we also still have our Google account here. For those who know the account, Google can add it here, then click Next. Add the password and it will give you access without needing to watch the entire video tutorial. It also gives you the option that if you don't know the email address, you can also. It gives you the option to add your phone number to your email. You add the email's phone number, then click Next. You'll also receive a recovery code. You can write it here and it will give you that access as well. If you're not going to click here where it says, Forget Gmail, and you're going to write the following here. Click here on Next, and then click here. Also, click Next and do this for 30 seconds. This is so that it helps us enable one function that we would be using in a few moments. Having said all that, what we're going to do is do this for 30 seconds. After those 30 seconds pass, we would be seeing what it is at the beginning. Once we're on the home screen, we'll enable and disable some features. Now that all that's been said, let's go back to what's backwards. Going back, arriving at the start, we give it accessibility. We click on Talbot, we enable Talbot, we double-click here. We double-click here, we double-click. We double-click here, and we're going to deny it here too. Then we double-click here and click on Deactivate. We'll go back, we're going to click on the screen several times. We click back, Add New Network. We give it a little click, we give it the language option, the 3 dots, Update. We go back to where it says Reset and we're going to reset these 4 options. We're going to reset these 4 options, then we press the power button. Press the volume down button at the same time, and what we're going to do. What to do now is to see if our phone restarts. When our phone restarts, that's when we would be culminating the recovery process. They know that in the description of our video tutorials, we have also left out other completely different methods. In the first pinned comment you will be able to find all those methods. PC method and non-PC method. Since we've done all that and since our phone restarted, now what we are going to do is the following. Okay, let's do this. We're going to click here where it says Start. Then, we're going to click here on Add. And then we're going to click here where it says Android. We click here on Android, and now what we need is another device. We're going to need another phone. We're going to need it to have a screen lock, that it has a Google account and is connected to a Wi-Fi network. Once we have all that, we'll go here to Google. We're going to click here on the little camera and scan it. We're going to click here where it says, Sign in with Google. We're going to click here on Continue, and we're going to synchronize these two devices. Both the screen lock and the account. Google's apps would be syncing on this other phone. We're going to synchronize those two options. We're going to synchronize, we draw here, then it would be synchronizing here. Both our Google account would also be synchronizing. So what you have to do is this. Just like we've done in this video tutorial. We hope it takes us here to the Google account. Here it indicates the Google account. Now what we're going to do is press the power button. Press and hold the volume down button at the same time, and what we're going to do now is restart our phone. When our phone restarts, we'll go to wait for it to take us to the beginning and then to the end, and be able to configure our phone. Now that it's started, let's click Next. It would take us to the section where it will tell us that our account, the Google app we had on the other phone, has been completely added back. Has been updated on this device. When that option appears, it means we can configure it ourselves and be able to use it normally. Okay, let's wait here, then we click here to start. Click here to add. We click on Add, here we go. Wait until the option we have indicated becomes available. For those who want to see other video tutorials, we've also included it in the video description and in the first comment. Fixed, here we can see that our account was added. We click here to accept, now we click here where it says Do not copy. We'll give you the option to add a new screen lock. I'm going to skip this video so as not to make this tutorial any longer. We're going to click here, we're going to skip all of this, we'll click skip. We are now at the final options, where we would be concluding. We're hitting the right notes. Click on the small blue letters to skip. We click on skip again, then we click here on add. We click next, and here we are, concluding this recovery process. We would already be at the last step, which would take us directly. This is the beginning, so we can finish this video tutorial. Now we're going to wait here and click on it. We tell him that later this would be all for this video tutorial.